That's prioritization should be very, very important for the party that is especially in power. See, we are not in power right now. I'm going to just, because we are here for a discussion and definitely for some suggestions for the party that is in power. Prioritization should be on a very, very, very clear note for them. You know, a party which can actually demolish a secretariat night on night, a party which could do that could definitely demolish all the encroachments on the nalas. Point blank, they could have done that. That's just the commitment that is needed and the prioritization that I'm talking about. I just wanted to make this point, Tanvi, because again and again we are talking of politics, we are talking of earlier governments, we are talking of so many things up there. But yes, what is the basis for you to come into power? Definitely, because what is the basis for you to come into power? Have you forgotten that? That earlier Shravanana also asked the same question and I'm also asking the same question. You have come into power claiming that none has done anything for the state of Telangana earlier, none has done anything for the city of Hyderabad, and you're going to do wonders. And year after year, let's not forget 2017, 2018, where all the roads have been damaged for very, very little rain. Let's not forget that, Tanvi. What has the government done in the past 2 to 3 years to change that scenario? Yes, I'm again saying these are unprecedented rains. I'm not commenting on that. But at least some measures should have been done. They have done zero. And I'm very openly challenging that.
Yes,
and again, the relief measures are also
no,
not
Professor
correct.
Jyotsna, let me even say this. We need to start preparing for, if I can just come in here and say, we need to start preparing for unprecedented situations. Like it or not, climate change is a reality across the world. There will be more and more of such unprecedented, unexpected, unseasonal kind of disasters that hit us, and it is our responsibility to look ahead and plan. And I just want to add this to the political parties and to the people, to the voters. Make this your political agenda. Make this your voting agenda. Let it not be any other kind of rhetorical vote bank politics that plays out around election time. Let it not be caste-based, religion-based politics or even doles and softs that get announced. Let it be this. Let it be about how your daily life, how you're living in a certain city, in a certain state or a country can be improved by your next government. When you start talking about